guys, what's up? Good morning. And if you don't know me, then hi, I am Sony, or you can say Julian Salt. And I'm back with something new. So today I'm gonna be showing you soft and simple smoky eye for everyday. And yes, one thing more. Thank you so much for giving me so much love and support. Because of your love and support, today I finally crossed the 100 subscriber. Yes guys, I am super happy right now. So yes, thank you so much. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to put this pro concealer. Now I'm blending this concealer with the help of finger. Now I'm putting this loose powder. I'm going to use this brown pencil. Now I'm going to put here this drawing. Yeah. Same I'm going to do here. So now I'm putting this lip liner, red lip liner here. Okay, so now I'm going to put this eyeliner. Then after a little bit of just I'm putting here. Now I'm going to blend this eyeliner from this brush. Now I'm going to put this one highlighter. A little bit of here. Then after I'm going to curl my faces. Then I'm putting this blue heaven mascara. This one. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys like this my everyday kind of eye makeup tutorial. So if you do like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and I'll see you next video with some new activity and creativity too. And bye bye, stay safe, take care, bye bye, see you soon.